Hey guys, what is up? Today's tutorial will show you how to install new emojis on your Mac. Are you looking for an easy way to install new emojis on your Mac? Watch the video and stay tuned. So to begin, go to any emoji website where you can download emojis for free. Then, search for emojis you'd want to add and copy them. Next, go to your system preferences and click on keyboard. In the keyboard section, click on text. After, click on the plus icon on the lower left side. Then, you can give the new emoji any name and press tab. On the next field, just paste your new emoji and hit enter. Now you can use the emoji on your Mac. Do this for all the new emojis you'd want to use on your Mac. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.